to talk about a couple of things that, as a parent, we need to pass on knowledge to our kids before they leave home. I have been a huge proponent of empowering my child to be able to do a lot of things on her own since she was very little. I design and renovate homes, and so my daughter has been going with me to job sites from birth, basically, even when she was just in a little car seat and I stuck her in the corner while I was working around her. But as she got older, she's able to use a power drill. She knows how to use screwdrivers and levels. So when she had to move things and do things in her dorm, it wasn't a big deal. She does have a tool set. I highly recommend that you get one because you will use it. It's not one of those disposable type of tools. You're going to be able to use it long term. One of the things I've always told all the young people is learn how to cook. You don't have to be a chef. You don't even have to be really great at it, but learn how to cook at least a handful of meals. If you're on meal plan, you're gonna get sick and tired of that real quick. If you know how to make a few simple dishes, you can get by. My daughter had an electric pot that you just plug in. It's very dorm friendly, and she made small little meals in there. You don't know how to cook, now's the time to learn. Another thing is, if you don't know how to do laundry, now is the time to learn. Knowing how to wash your darks and your whites, let's not do them all together because your clothing will be ruined. As much as you can hang dry things, so a drying rack is definitely recommended, especially your workout gear. It's going to prolong the life of it because, man, let me tell you, those industrial washer dryers are harsh on clothing. You'll learn that for yourself. I highly recommend getting laundry bags because small things like socks and undergarments, they go missing somehow. And the last thing you want is when you're transferring your clothes from your washer to the dryer for those small items to be falling on the floor, which is disgusting. Cleaning. I know not everybody grows up learning how to clean, but it's important. It's a life skill. And it's one of those things that you will appreciate it, and so will anybody who you live with will appreciate it. Even if you don't have a private bathroom and you have a community bathroom, learn to clean up after yourself. Don't just assume because there are cleaners that clean that they should clean up anything and everything. I've heard such horror stories of these community bathrooms where it's so disrespectful to leave the space that you use every single day in such poor condition. Like, don't just drop garbage all over the place. Don't leave personal items all over the floor. Like, I've heard some ridiculous things. I don't know much about what the boys' bathroom condition is, and we always assume that boys are worse than girls. No, girls are nasty too. Feminine hygiene products do not need to be on the floor for the world to see. Washing your hands is a given, I would assume, but my God, not always. If you wouldn't do it at home, don't do it when you're at school. Just be respectful of common spaces.